Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel for this video. So this is a technical bit so for computer skills and practice. So if you want to gain computer skills both in hardware and software, so you can go through my playlist for computer tricks. This is another video. I have a problem. I'm going to work on this computer right here. It is Lenovo. It has Intel Celeron processor, so 4 GB of RAM, but the operating system might have crashed. So fixing the hardware challenge, so the hard disk, maybe the sectors got some problems in the drive partition for local disk C, so Windows failed to load. This is the file that failed to load, and that is the error code. So those error codes are kind of useful in case you have a hardware any challenge. In case you see it, you just type it. It takes you to the Microsoft troubleshooting page for fixing that problem. So all you need is you'll need to use recovery tools if you don't have any installation media. So but actually it failed to recover itself, the automatic repair, so it is stuck on this page. Once you boot, it can't show anything. So let's see. Let me start it. So it is just stuck in the bootloader. So let's see the challenge that I'm facing, and we'll find a way how to fix it. So all it does is to display only the recovery. So even the automatic repair failed to fix the drive. So I have my bootable drive here. So it is embedded with Windows 10, the latest bit. So I'm going to just change the operating system and also format the drive. So formatting the drive will fix the error. So let me begin installing the installation process. Let me begin the installation right away. So all I have to do is to insert my bootable drive in any USB port. So then restart, and also press the F12 immediately. So press the F12 key to enter the bootloader. So as you can see, this is the boot menu. There are some alternatives. This is a CD, DVD ROM, so HDD, USB HDD. So look for USB HDD. So my flash is already detected as a bootable drive, so hit enter, and wait for the computer to show up something else. So this will take a couple of minutes until it loads the operating system. So let's see what happens next. So after a couple of minutes, or maybe 2 or 3, so I'm seeing the Windows logo here. So this is a blue screen. I don't think it is very visible here, but it is blue in color. Just blue color. So this is the firmware has been detected on the flash. So the setup has started automatically after a couple of minutes. So English language to install is English. Time and currency. So I'm in Uganda. Let me see the time. Uganda. Uganda, English, Uganda. Keyboard, the layout, let's leave it that. So install now. I'm not going to repair, but I'm going to install, because when I repair, the error will keep coming. So let me just change the windows. So actually, after this has taken a while, so I'm still waiting, but the setup is still unleashing the necessary files so that we can begin the installation process. So this may take up to 5 minutes. So I try to eliminate the quiet part of this video. So now we've seen another screen here. Activate Windows if it's the first time you're installing Windows on this PC, or you need a product key. As per the case, I don't have a product key, so if you have one, you can put it there if you purchased it and you have your product key with you, but right now I don't have mine. So click I don't have a product key. So next step, select the operating system you want to install. Windows 10. This is the architecture 64-bit. All of them are 64-bit. So if your PC is 32-bit, then you have to find an image for your computer. So let me select Windows 10 Pro because it's the best version. And by the way, if you don't know how to make a bootable USB, I'm going to make a video about it so that you can easily download your software and fix your computer very fast, or maybe updating it. So Microsoft software license terms, yes, very fast. So upgrade, install Windows and keep files and settings and applications, no. Custom install Windows only advanced, so the files and applications are moved to Windows through this option. If you want to make changes to the partitions drives, start the computer using the installation disk. So this alternative is the best because I'm going to clean the damaged partitions. So here I am. So actually this screen, it is telling me that the partition one, this was the local disk, so it is very empty, so there is no operating system there. So my operating system actually collapsed. This computer had a very big problem, so let's wait and see whether it allows us to partition or not. So finally it has finished processing. So this is the partition that contained Windows previously. As per now, it is totally empty. Let me try formatting it. So I'm not going to format any other drive like partition 4, the new volume, because it contains important information for the user which is not mine. So let's format that and see. Right, it has taken some few seconds and now I'm clear to go. I'm not going to delete any partition or create any other. So let's press next and see. So the installation process has begun successfully. So in case you fail to reach to this step, that means your drive has a failure. So you have to replace your computer with a new hard drive. So the installation process is going on, as you can see. So this will take a couple of minutes. Let's wait. So it's almost there to the final stage. Let's see. Alright, going to the installation of features. So this is the installation process of Windows. Very easy, as you can see. It's just automatic. All you have to do is to wait, be patient, and the computer will so the installation process has ended, so it is restarting for a while. So that is a clear Windows logo. Can focus very fast. So the installation process is done. All I have to do is to wait. Just hang on a little bit in case you needed to upgrade your PC, so this alternative could also work. So here is Windows 10. So let's wait and see. Just give it a while. Everything will finish itself, just a matter of time, short time. So after a number of reboots, let's see if this is the final one. So getting services, devices ready, then starting services. So it has installed very quickly, very fast. I think 5 minutes. It was enough for the installation process. So let's see what comes next. So 25%. So this devices, maybe the hardware, services include the software, and also maybe the applications that are pre-installed on Windows, like the Cortana, Connect, movies and TV, and so on. So it's getting ready. So it is still getting ready. It has taken a couple of minutes. I'm also waiting. Sorry about the bad display here in the video, because this is an LED panel. So when you change, it changes the direction. So I'm just trying to tap the light from the screen. So here we go. So it is restarting. Let's see if it bypasses the boot setup. So Windows logo right there. So let's see what happens next. So we are going to the setup of our opening. This is the, I think it might be the final startup. So we have to complete the setup and run our Windows normally. Going on. So this might be the first boot, so it will take a couple of minutes. So you should just hang on tightly so that it doesn't black out. Make sure your computer is connected to power and the battery is at least 80%, because when power blacks out, you might fall into some other problems. So we have a blue screen here. So just a moment. So this process kind of takes time. It depends on the processor you're running, the RAM available in your computer, and also the type of hard drive you're using in your computer. If you're using SSD, then you're good enough to go, because they are more faster than HDD. So this will take some time, since this is a Celeron processor, so that is why it will delay. And also the hard disk is an HDD drive, so let's wait and see. So after a short time, so let's start with the region. Is this right? So it is all right. No, Uganda, and select yes. So this is the startup, the first startup of Windows 10. This is what happens when you just have a new device. It comes with Windows 10 pre-installed, so all you have to do is to fill these simple forms, just like when you have a new device. So you have to fill everything, some personal information. So let's connect to a network. No, I don't have a network. That will come later when the on of the computer starts it up. So discover more. There is more to discover and connect to the internet. Oh no, not right now. So continue with limited setup. So who is going to use the PC? The owner, I know his name is Derek. So let me just fill that up. Let me see. So you type Derek. It's gone. Remember the password. So let me just type that. Then you confirm your password. Next step is to fill the security questions. So you have to just fill that carefully, slowly by slowly. So after filling the security questions, we are going to the account services. So choose your privacy settings for your device. So you can read through that and accept. If you don't want, you can just uncheck them. So dim across devices. So this is the usual setup with Windows 10. So everything is just getting ready, finishing the setup for the apps. So this will take some time. So as you see, this might take several minutes, so don't turn off your PC. So let's just give it a while and check back. So right now, the hardware device drivers, the USB ports, and also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth cards, anything that is pre-installed that it is hardware, either a connection port. So the computer is just activating the necessary drivers, display drivers, audio drivers, video drivers, all those network drivers. All of them, they are just being installed at this moment. So let's hang on tightly. So here we go. This is the desktop right here. Searching for display drivers. So searching for display drivers. Screen resolution, performance and battery life may be reduced until a compatible driver has been installed. So this is our action center. So the display as per now does not change, you can see with me. So all I have to do is to connect to a network, and the device drivers will be downloaded and installed in the background. So that is the only challenge as per now. So everything is set and good to go. As you can see, this is my desktop, and the computer can boot very normally. So and finally, so hope you guys made it to the end of this video. So if you found this video useful, you can subscribe and give it a like. So don't forget to comment about this video, so because your comment also motivates me. So help me subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, to enable me reach the goal of 2,000 subscribers. So this is the start window. So everything is normally as it was. So let's see the settings for this computer, the details. So all you have to do is to press start and I to open the settings. Very fast, you go to system, and let's go to the build, about. So this is the device name, Intel Celeron. So and RAM 4 GB. So that is all. The edition, Windows specification, Windows 10 Pro version 2004. So just installed today. The owner will need to activate it, so it is not activated. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you missed a step or not clear, you can download the video right away, or you will watch to make your process again. So hope you successfully install your Windows on your PC to recover it. So the hard drive is now very fine. So very fine, as you see in the settings in the file explorer here. So it has 81.6 GB. So the 19 GB have been taken by Windows. So hope you guys make it to your successfully to your journey. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment. So see you in the next video. Bye.